Hey guys, Brandon, Disruptive Defense, hanging out here in the lab. Going to show you how to take care of the Mag Catch spring using our Mag Catch tool that's included in our DisDef upgraded Mag Catches. So you'll take this tool, you'll put it in behind the spring, and grab a hold of the spring, just like that, so it's in the channel. Then you'll take a punch or a flathead screwdriver or something, put it inside the loop of the spring. Then, while pulling up on the tool and up on your whatever you're using for leverage, that will pull the spring, just like that. I like to push the spring up into the tool just so that it's fully recessed. Then you'll take out the old, drop in the new, make sure that it is in properly, and so the hole should look like that, or close to it, somewhere around there, because you'll see why here in a second. So then what you'll do is you'll take the tool, you have to take the moon side, the moon shaped side, push it into the channel while rotating the tool into the channel. Okay? Watch. Just like that. Okay? Then you'll drop the long leg into the larger hole. Okay? Like that. Now you'll start to see I already have my short leg is in position, and I'm going to recess it, all the way so that the tool is in the right spot. Then I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to put it under the undercut, and then I'm going to put my thumb on the plunger. Then I'm going to take my other hand, I'm going to grab the top of the tool, and I'm going to pull the tool out this way. Watch. And then the plunger will drop through the mag well, but the spring will set. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Just like that.